Alright, we're at the Fisher-O'Connor Tunnel. It's down there with my cousin Colton. We're about to
Yeah.
explore this shit.
I think that's good.
We're at the tunnel. About to go in. You ready?
Take it? Why?
Is he coming?
I think he's coming.
Yeah, we're like directly under people's house.
Oh, right here.
Oh! Shit almost got on me, dude. Ready? We're gonna go.
Okay. You guys ready
Yeah.
to go in there?
Mom, go to the car, okay?
Just stand out there and wait for us.
How far are you guys going?
Not far.
We're going all the way to the end.
Mom, are you really?
I don't know.
Don't.
We don't know. We'll find out.
Mom, please. Okay.
Heather, you know you're being recorded right now, right? What?
Which way?
We're going.
What's that?
I think I heard talking.
Stay behind me.
Keep on!
The light actually. You hear anything? Didn't FaZe Rogue try to sleep in here?
Yeah, you don't need 24-hour tunnel.
Okay, that's crazy.
This goes miles.
Yeah, this goes like.
We're barely. Oh,
Oh, screw that.
I'm out.
Screw that. They said it gets warmer by the time you get in there more. What's that?
How much farther are we going?
Dude, we should play football in here.
You want to get a hard on the ball, though?
Yeah, you probably slip and shit. Does it say this is cunt? That's rude. Right here. Noah is a. Yeah. Oh, is that poop dripping from the roof? Right there? Oh, it is. Right there. Right there. Right there. Oh.
I'm not going through that.
Good thing I have the hat.
Hold on, I want to get closer.
Ow.
Okay.
Dude, Tyler, Tyler, you should fart in here and see what it sounds like.
No, I can't. Right?
He can't, he's too
Can I do
nervous.
this one more time? No, that's better.
Yeah, do it, do it.
Here with this.
Mom!
What? You're gonna mess up our video.
He's already messing it up. He messes up everything.
No, we're gonna edit him out.
Mom, I'll go back to the car.
Except when he stepped in the shit.
This is gonna be the last thing we do. Dude, this collar is too scary. Dude, is there like no internet down here? Is that Wi-Fi line?
Oh, maybe.
I know there's no internet, but let me close the video.
Tyler, shh.
We have to go out a little more.
Okay, let's go out a little bit more.
What?
Chrissy ruins my cheap colors, dude.
Oh, I got jerked on.
Oh.
Get shit, don't do that.
I got shitted on.
In your mouth?
No.
I heard some little.
Oh, that was Trent.
Right here, I'm just gonna haul ass right here.
Okay, ready?
3, 2, oh shit.
What do you, oh, to get over?
Can we just go like another 50, 30 minutes?
What's that say?
Help.
Oh, there's something on my backpack, bro.
Shine it on the help.
Wait, turn off the light, see how light. Oh, yeah, oh, I actually do that.
Yeah, I can't.
Oh, I can hear something down there.
Really? Turn off the light, see how dark it is.
Sounds like talking.
Oh, you know what that dripping noise is? It's probably it's a leakage. Might just see a homeless guy down here. Get out of my house.
Okay, how far are we going though?
Let's see. We're already about at least 100 feet.
I think. Can we just like go like
Yeah.
No.
50?
What?
It's hot.
You're hot? That's good. You're hot because you're just scared.
Can we go now?
from the ceiling.
Where?
See that?
I can't do this shit.
Take you from the ceiling.
Wait, Mom.
What?
Hang this phone.
Then do you think that's a moth or a bat hanging from the ceiling?
Oh, bats do hang on.
See it? Hanging-
Bullshit.
I can't zoom.
You don't see it hanging from the ceiling?
Oh, I see it.
Where?
It's hanging from the ceiling. How do you not see that?
Like,
Like right there.
Tyler.
tell Tyler to bring his camera so we can get a zoom.
Let's just go closer. Come
I
on.
heard a door slam.
Oh.
It's in some locals. Alright, we got the camera and everything. You wanna hold it? Alright.
Go a little further.
Go further.
There's like long enough you can just walk on one side.
And we're gonna hear those thumps every once in a while. It's just the noise.
Dude, it's getting wide.
Dude, it's getting deep.
Dude, how are we supposed to walk?
Dude, it's getting
Dude,
deep,
record how
bro.
wide it is.
Huh?
Record how wide it is.
Dude, literally, it starts from right here. Here, let me back up the camera. Look at this. We have to like, we're literally like, look at Trent. Look at this. It's unbelievable. We're pretty far deep. We can't see behind us anymore. It's actually kind of scary. Not gonna lie, but we grew some nuts and decided to go in. All right, let's go. Woo! Oh, now it's getting even worse. Dude, if we slip, we're going nuts first into some shit.
No.
What? What does that say?
That's like a different sign.
Oh, hell no. Yeah, it's pretty far down there, and my light doesn't really freaking work. But mine's good for like in here.
I'm at 23%. And
33?
it dies like from 1 to 15. Like it doesn't go before 100.
Okay, should we go back?
We're gonna go a little farther.
What's that thing that's hanging?
Mine's like yours is supposed to like.
Yeah. Oh no, mine can't really. Mine doesn't really go good length. Oh, actually, it kind of does.
Much better than mine.
Like I'm actually starting to sweat. It's like fucking crazy in here. All right. Well, my light's not really that good on camera for the distance, though. It's pretty good up here, though.
Yeah, let's go like halfway down.
I'm very claustrophobic too. That's the thing that fucking sucks. Where's this phone's battery at? Oh, we're at full still. Come here. All right.
Should scream again and scare them.
Just scream.
Scare the people behind us.
Alright, let's keep going.
Into the camera. Camera switch.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go. See that movie? No, I was just saying that one's moving. Oh, that's it.
We're all good, we're all good.
Wait. Jamie's coming back.
I think she is. I don't want to go much darker though because our phones are running low. She is coming back.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
What are you doing? I was trying to look forward to those like this.
Dead fish. Oh, what is that? What is that what you're talking about?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Honestly,
Alright guys, we're gonna oh no. Okay, we're good. Our microphone's off. Alright
Guys, we're gonna try to prank the two people who are here.
Dude, that's a double sign. I'm not even kidding.
Right there?
Yeah, if it's the star with the circle.
Yeah. What's the circle?
All right, we're gonna have Colton scream, and we're gonna scare the two people behind us.
This mall.
Alright,
Should we just go back? Can we go further? Can we go further?
What'd you say?
Want to go further?
I cannot do a split face.
What happened?
What happened?
I don't know. Trent screamed like that wasn't me. That was you. No, there's nothing back there. We were just doing it for fun.
Our camera battery's about to die.
Really?
Or not camera, our phone.
Oh, this is the shit. Oh no.